Why does your face clear up but your back still breaks out? Back acne, short form BACNE, is super common in a humid country like India. Let's break down what causes it and how to treat it safely for Indian skin. Why back acne happens? To watch more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The back has thicker skin and more sebaceous oil glands than the face. Sweat, heat, friction from tight clothes like gym, the synthetic clothes, can also cause something known as acne mechanica, much more common in hot and humid areas. It is frequent in even people who go to gym. Make sure you wash your clothes and change them every day. The androgens or hormones, generally which help in increasing the sebum production, are far more active on the back. Indian climate also is the right breeding ground for Cutibacterium acnes due to humidity and sweat. Back acne is equal to bad hygiene. No, no, no. It's more about oil glands, hormones, sweat and friction also play a minor role. Scrubbing harder will clear back acne for you. Remember, never. Over scrubbing can cause pigmentation, pesky black marks, and can even worsen inflammation, especially in Indian skin type, which we know as Fitzpatrick type 4 or 5, which is especially prone for any brown and black mark post injury. Step 1. Cleanse your back using a salicylic acid or a benzoyl peroxide body wash or soap, but avoid very harsh soaps because that can disrupt skin barrier and rather worsen your acne. Make sure you consult your dermatologist to prescribe you something that balances the pH of the back. Also, avoid using homemade scrubbers. Step 2. Lifestyle adjustments. Of course, you have to ditch your synthetic gym wear and prefer something cotton or linen and preferably looser clothing. You must shower immediately after workouts or after profuse sweating. One must change pillowcases, bed sheets weekly. Hygiene is important but not the only factor. Taking care of your lifestyle in terms of nutrition, exercise can also help you in the longer term. Step 3. Acne always needs a dermatologist. Targeted treatment with topical retinoids, especially adapalene and tretinoin, would help in reducing inflammation and prevent scarring on the back. Remember, the back is very unforgiving when it comes to scarring. Oral antibiotics can be prescribed by a dermatologist. In very severe cases, even oral isotretinoin can be recommended. Procedures like chemical peels using blue light therapy may also be useful aids in reducing acne and preventing permanent pigmentation and scars. Pigmentation care. Remember, Indian skin type is very prone for pigmentation. So, treat acne fast. Treat acne with the right person to treat, that is your dermatologist. Products like azelaic acid, niacinamide, when added to your prescription or topical retinoids, can go a long way in reducing dark marks. And if the back is exposed, you may apply sunscreen there. There's one particularly bad habit of people using loofahs and mechanical ways to remove acne. Please avoid it on the back. Early treatment is an insurance policy for your acne. Buy it today. When to see a dermatologist when you have acne? As soon as you have it. Remember, the longer you wait, more chances you give for your acne to become painful, cystic, and more predisposition to leave behind scars. If you feel your OTC washes and DIY is not helping, the best is to book an appointment, have a personalized treatment approach. We cannot prevent scarring until we use a prescription-based medication or procedure or method or device. Back acne is common, and this is something that you should not be embarrassed about. With the right skincare treatment, patient and consistent approach tailored for your skin, you can prevent both pimples and pigmentation. Remember, don't waste your time doing it yourself or doing home remedies or prolonging or postponing the treatment. If it is persistent, you need to see the dermatologist at once.